Alright guys, today we are going to be doing the carburetor on an Echo cs-440. Comes in a complete kit with everything you need. Lines, filters, carburetor, grommets, anything you'll need for this job. Let's get to it. I'll put a link to the kit in the description below. Just click on it. Alright, so we got the 3 Phillips head screws. I've already taken them off. Pops right off. 3 screws. Alright, we got the air filter. It's a twist on cap. You just twist it off. There you go. Filter off. It's still a good filter. This thing just sat for a long time. Alright, what do we got now? Looks like we got I'm gonna get this this whole guy right here out. So there's it just pops right on out. The choke arm stays down in the bottom here. Throttle kind of wiggles around, comes right on out, and then you got single plug wire right there. So the throttle actually will sit into this thing here, and you see it just goes in there, so it just slides right out of the carburetor. Then we got the choke arm. You just move it, it just hooks in, just hooks right in, pops right out. And we gotta get 2 Allens. It looks like 4mm Allens. Just unscrew them. Turn this around for you. Okay, so this is the vent. This is the fuel in right here. This is a vacuum line, and these lines feel good, so I don't think we're gonna mess with them. But we're gonna give it a little twist, pull it on out. Just got a little twist. Oh look, the carburetor's moving around. You can see it's fuel's coming right on out of that. It's got the gasket on the back of it still. But if you look in this thing, here, you know what? First, I'm going to drain all this gas out so we can get rid of it. We want to get rid of all the gas out of this. So there's just a single hose. This is the vent line. Don't worry about it. But you got a single grommet and a single hose going in there. And it goes right on in. Let's get a light in here. Right on in to the filter. Right in there. So we're going to reach in there with a pair of needle nose. We're going to grab that line and filter, and we're going to pull it right on out. And again, this seems fine. It probably is, but it doesn't hurt to just get new lines. Come on now. What the heck? There you are. You know what? nothing wrong with this. This line looked good. But you want to get rid of it anyways. You want to do a brand new fuel line. But that one obviously I didn't have to. It was still good. I could have just put in that one. Or left that one in. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this line into a tip, into a point. We're going to shove this down in to this side. Going to keep shoving it down in until I can grab it from this side with the needle nose and pull it out. And you just keep pulling until it comes out, or keep pushing it in until you can grab it and pull it to come out. And you cut the tip right off. And it comes with a filter. Pop the new filter right on. And then push the filter right on in. It'll lay right on the bottom, and that's what you want to happen. Alright. Go ahead and grab the new carburetor. Get it out. Grommets out of there. Alright. Gasket. I don't want that. So you're going to have the gasket on the back side of this. We're going to need this guy here. Oh, you know what? Here, before we do all that, let's hook this up so this line goes to the vacuum. And then we're going to get this cut to size. And we're going to get it hooked up. Fuel intake. Wire out of the way. This guy down in a place here. This is going to be a pain in the ass, isn't it? How did that? Oh, it went like that. Oh, alright, there it goes. Alright, those 2 volts. Here, those are in, and then we want to get the gasket on. Okay, got it where it's kind of started. Set in place. Just pushed in. This is a pain in the ass. There it goes. There it is. You have to kind of hold these in place too. You don't want the gasket to fall out. So once you get it all lined up though, it's perfect. Just get it all the way tight. Now, almost seems like maybe I should have just taken, you know, this has been, yeah, this has been glued down. So put a drop of super glue top and bottom of the carb, lay the gasket on there, and just get it lined up perfect, and hold it until the super glue holds the gasket in place, and it'll make it easier for you to get this one lined up. Alright, so there's that, and then alright, where's all my parts? This guy here, where's my choke arm? Did I knock it on the floor? So choke arm, again, just hooks in that back piece, and then grommet just lays right in here. Throttle arm just hooks in to the throttle piece. I'm going to just have it sitting in this slot here. Down there. There it goes, falls right in place once you get it lined up. And we just got to get the rest of this lined up. Right there, like that. Alright, throttle piece is in, it's moving. Choke piece is in, it moves. Everything looks good. Alright, we got the one single wire here. We'll get it underneath the idle and then stab it back onto the kill switch. Like so. This is working out really well. Air filter. It does come with a new one, but I got a spare. Cup on there, get it tightened down. Cover back in place. Got the bolt started. Just like so. Put some gas in it. Gas cap. You just squeeze this plastic piece, shove it in there. Alright, let me get it lined up where we can see. Happens here. Full throttle, switch is on, full choke, brake off, choke off. Runs like new again. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put all the parts in the description below. Just click on the link. It'll take you right to them. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'm more than happy to have you. Peace.